In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Mcf71.dll error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So we need to check the system type of our Windows 11 first. To go to the Windows search bar, type system information, click on it under the best match and simply take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method is try to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart, because once you restart, that will refresh all the system programs and the system processes of your Windows. Next method, you can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, click on installed apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error, click on the three dots and select uninstall, and simply reinstall it into your Windows. And still on the options on the left pane, click on Windows Update, and simply click the button right here to check for updates or download and install the updates that your Windows 11 need. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.